How to turn on weather alerts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and also manage protections. Tap on Location Services at the top. Location Services uses GPS, Bluetooth, and crowdsourced Wi-Fi hotspots and cell tower locations to determine your location. You can now also view which apps have access to your location below. Scroll down to find the weather app and tap on it. As you can see, the location access is set to while using the app or widgets. Select Always from the options. And then, turn on the Precise Location switch below. Alternatively, go back and open up the Weather app. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Here, tap on the 3 dots at the top right and go to Notifications. Tap on Continue. Then, tap on Allow as shown. Tap on Allow again to turn on weather alerts. After that, tap on Done. The Weather app can now send you notifications for rain, snow, and certain relevant severe weather alerts. Following these steps, you can easily turn on weather alerts on iPhone.